Baroness Harding, do you still believe test and trace is working?
She says she does. But what does Baroness Harding really think? We've seen leaked documents which tell us, and it's quite different to what she says in public. Presented today by executives including Baroness Harding, this slide outlines the 5 Christmas priorities for test and trace in England. Number 1 is reset our relationship with local authorities. 2 is get bigger. 3 is get faster. And 4 is improve use of data. Number 5 is rebuild public trust. A clear admission, say public health experts, that that's gone missing.
What the public knows is that the response has been extremely expensive and extremely ineffective. So they have a contact tracing system that's been centralised and privatised, using large commercial providers that have never, ever delivered contact tracing. And what it's shown is it isn't working.
This leaked slide shows how the rebuild is meant to happen. There's a lot going on, but not much in the way of clear objectives. The relationship with local authorities, strained since the beginning of the service, will be reset by something called Contain Plan, apparently a reference to the existing framework for local COVID response. To Labour, that's not really a plan at all.
We're 2 weeks in now and we've seen no plan at all to fix contact tracing. Instead, we've seen a PR plan. That's not good enough. They've got to use these remaining 2 weeks of the lockdown, if it is going to be another 2 weeks, to fix contact tracing.
A Department of Health and Social Care spokesperson said, NHS Test and Trace is breaking chains of transmission thanks to local and national teams working hand in glove. Over 2 million people who may otherwise have unknowingly spread coronavirus have been contacted and told to isolate. We are continuously seeking to improve the service as well as our vital local relationships. We were told Test and Trace would be world-beating. Now, most people would be happy if the £12 billion programme was merely competent, and with just weeks to improve, even that isn't guaranteed. Roland Manthorpe, Sky News.